If you're serious about keeping your digital assets safe, then you need to check out the Trezor Safe 3. Click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount. All right, let's dive in. First things first, what is a Trezor Safe 3? It's a hardware wallet that provides top-notch security for your cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your personal crypto vault. It keeps your private keys offline, away from any potential hackers. Setting it up is super simple. Once you unbox your Trezor Safe 3, connect it to your computer using the provided USB cable. Go to the Trezor website and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be guided through installing the Trezor Bridge, a handy piece of software that helps your device communicate with your computer. Next, you'll create a new wallet. Pay close attention here. The device will generate a recovery seed, a 12 or 24-word phrase. Write it down and store it in a secure place. This is your backup in case you ever lose your device. Remember, never share this seed with anyone. Now let's talk about using your Trezor Safe 3. You can manage your crypto assets through the Trezor Wallet interface. It's super user-friendly. You can send and receive cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks. Plus, you can even track your portfolio right from the dashboard. But wait, there's more. The Trezor Safe 3 supports hundreds of coins and tokens. From Bitcoin to Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, you're covered. And security? Top-notch. Each transaction is verified on the device itself, keeping your keys secure and transactions safe. All right, quick recap. The Trezor Safe 3 is your ultimate companion in the crypto world. It's easy to use, super secure, and supports a wide range of assets. So, if you want to unlock your crypto potential, click the link in the description below and grab your Trezor Safe 3 today with a sweet discount. Thanks for watching. Keep your crypto safe and happy trading.